my business card.
In Westerville, Ohio, that is lawyer Emmanuel Olawale. On his own law office property, he is dumping out trash.
You need my
All right.
ID?
Huh?
Let me show you my ID.
If you don't mind, just so, yeah, if you don't mind, can we see your ID?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Well, that is pretty cool. That's a slick business card.
Yep.
All right. I'll give it to him. You can keep doing what you're doing. We're just, again, we're kind of concerned. Yeah, seeing somebody dump a bunch of stuff there. So, okay.
Can I have it back? Just don't run it.
Oh.
Don't have to, don't,
Give his
don't
ID
run my
back.
card. Don't run my ID.
Huh?
Don't run my ID.
Don't run your ID?
I have no reason to.
He is right.
Right.
Well, we're going to at least mark it down. We're going to take down your information.
Nope. I'm on my property, putting trash in my trash
Okay,
can.
but this is, wait, this is not just your property. It's several people's
I
property.
understand.
Okay.
But I'm not violating any law. So don't
No
run
one
my
said that
ID.
you're violating any law.
No. Don't run my ID. I'm a lawyer. I know my rights.
Okay.
I'm not violating any law. I'm on my property. There's no suspicion. No one called anybody. So don't run my
Right,
ID. I only
right.
identify myself so that this won't escalate.
That's fine, but we can still mark down who we're out with. And so that's what we're going to do.
You
No,
can write it
yeah.
in the
This topic,
paper.
don't turn this into an issue.
Sir, you are turning this into an issue. We're just simply marking down who we're out with.
Yeah.
So he's
How
just going to
could
write
you
it down
what?
on a piece of
Oh,
paper. Yeah.
it's just your name.
Why?
Because, sir, we are out with you because we were concerned that you were illegally dumping.
But you've already discovered. Do you want me to show you my office?
I understand that you're here, but I don't know if this dumpster belongs to you or somebody else in the
It belongs
complex.
to me.
To you and you alone.
Yes.
Can you prove that that dumpster belongs to you and you alone?
What?
No, he does not have to prove he owns the
That's my point,
dumpster.
though, is if it's also other units,
So what? It belongs to everybody. We're paying for
Okay.
it. It doesn't really matter if it belongs to all the
It's a
units.
private
That's why it's
property.
giving me back my ID. Thank
Fair.
you.
You know, you might be wondering, if you got a clean record and a valid license, why make a big deal out of it? The answer is simple. The law is the law. And the police officer take a strict oath to uphold the Constitution. Legal experts, they point out a major distinction here. It's perfectly fine for an officer to jot down a person's name on a notepad for a regular report. But the moment a cop confiscates your driver's license to run a formal system check, you are legally considered detained. You are no longer free to walk away. And doing that without probable cause is a direct violation of constitutional rights. Olalawe feels he was targeted because of his race. Right? Imagine if he was white. Will the police treat that person the same? I don't think so, And honestly, looking at the facts, it's hard to argue otherwise. Why couldn't this officer just take him at his words? They held his professional business card, his physical ID, and his law firm's actual sign was right there on the building. If he were a white attorney, what do you think they would have pushed this hard to run his license? I don't think so. Even though the officer handed his documents back without running them on the spot, their own bodycam caught them doing a background check on their dashboard computer the second they got back into their squad car. Of course, the system just could reconfirm everything he already told them. He had an absolutely clean record. Since this incident gained traction, the City of Westerville has launched an official investigation into the behavior of these two Ohio police officers. We see it far too often. Authorities overstepping their boundaries, particularly when dealing with people of colors. Black, Hispanic, Asians, Fortunately, no one was physically harmed in this encounter. But at the end of the day, the real casualty here is the public trust in the Westerville Police Department. But, what are your thoughts about this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.